Surviving a blizzard is like trying to find Wi-Fi in a coffee shop. Challenging, but not impossible. Here are 5 essential tips to keep you from turning into a human popsicle. First up, always stay indoors and keep warm. Layer up with blankets and extra clothes. Next, stock up on essentials before the storm hits. Think food, water, and batteries. Third, keep your devices charged. You need that phone for updates and emergencies. Fourth, avoid using your car unless absolutely necessary. Roads can be treacherous. Lastly, stay informed. Keep an eye on weather updates and listen to local authorities. Remember, staying prepared can make all the difference. Stay safe out there, adventurers, and make sure to like and subscribe or follow, you know what I mean?